That'll be good. We gotta get some stuff in the ground so we can have some. We are headed out to get some dirt and some compost so we can fill up our raised beds and start growing our seedlings and planting some seeds. We're looking forward to it. Got Derek here, got some tarps, a truck, and a trailer behind us. We're ready to start growing things. Dirt, waiting in line. It's never fun the first time working out all the details, but we're doing it, and we got to get the tarp out, and here's all the different blends. So cool. Grabbing the tarp. The loader over there is going to come over here, and we're going to kind of go back and forth between the compost and the topsoil. It is warm. That is so cool. I love
it. Just knock it down.
Yeah. How many yards do we have, Derek?
6 yards. 6 yards of dirt.
Yay, we have dirt, and we have a very low truck. Our tires are feeling it.
It's dueling.
Yeah. We like to take full advantage of the vehicles that we have.
Come in.
There's nothing like being new to something. The looks that we get are so funny. You know, if you've never done something before, you might make mistakes. It could happen. But if you don't ask the questions that might make you look silly, you don't find out the answers. So here we are, we're doing that thing, keeping humble. Derek's over there paying for the 6 yards. We got 3 of the topsoil and 3 of the compost. It was really fun putting my hands in the dirt. I cannot wait to start planting. It's 11 o'clock and we are just getting back from getting dirt and compost, and our raised beds are ready to be filled. So we'll probably just do 3 or 4, maybe 5. If we can get 6 beds, it'd be amazing, filled up, and then we'll make another trip to get some more dirt and compost.
Alright, we're gonna get to dirt work, fill in these raised bed gardens, and I'm just noticing somebody's driving up the way here. So the big question is, did he get offered the job? Liam just came back from a job interview, big deal kind of thing. All right, next step of the process. What's up?
Well, we're untying the straps, getting the tarps off, and then it's time to start filling up the beds.
Trouble, stay away from my door. Trouble, stay away.
Today was a full day of lot of shoveling, dirt and compost. Last bits here. All right. Well, we have, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beds. We have a few more to cover. And then one of our flower beds, and this is where some peas are going to be planted. Super excited about planting more. We're learning how to be in the heat. I couldn't help myself but to transplant at least 1 or 2 plants. I don't know, I haven't had much luck transplanting, so I'm staggering it in to see if my plants will be okay. Here's a sunflower, and then I put another one over in the corner there. It's funny, I've planted some bulbs that say that they're supposed to come up, but I keep watering them and they don't. So I guess I'll have to do some more research and find out what I'm doing wrong. It's very disappointing. I don't know if the squirrels are eating them or moles or what, but they're not coming out of the ground. Laurel, how are you today?
Good.
What snake is that?
What's it doing?
Oh!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Guess what we're gonna have for dinner tonight?
Oh my goodness.
Just kidding.
Going to the whole thing.
No?
You see it.
Whoa!
Isn't he cool?
No.
It's our first snake we've seen on the property.
Oh.
It's my third snake.
Don't go next to it. Don't go next to it.
God, there's a snake.
What's it doing?
It's slithering. Don't be too close.
Yeah.
Laurel was like 6 inches from it.
Stay back from it, Laura.
Where is it
Is that a
going?
garter snake, Mom?
No, I think it is a bull snake.
What kind of sound is that?
We just pulled in and we are unbuckling. Getting out to Mom, what is this place called?
Electric Gardens.
Yes.
Big opening day.
Yes. So that's where we're just pulling in. Yes, and we are going to check out a few things. Huh?
And then one has a coat, right? So
Oh yeah, one coat. For not you, for you.
Gotta get these kids on the swing. In here, we're just gonna do strawberries and then asparagus. And so next year we'll buy 6 more and put them over here. Or maybe even more. Do half of this strawberries and the other half asparagus. The plan. So this is the interesting thing about asparagus, Derek, is that you slowly cover them up with dirt. So the first time you just put 2 inches of dirt on top, and then I'm gonna go the other direction. And then the next time you put another 2 until it's covered. Nope.
All right, Liam is working on upscaling. We're probably not going to call it this Fort Cluck, but putting in these posts. We have some escape artists in the chicken realm, which is super cute, but it's dangerous for them to be out unless there's more of them, and we've got some dog protection or some kind of protectors for them, especially out alone. So this will help. We're going to extend. Well, you tell us, what's the plan here?
Extend the fence higher.
One more course up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just make it taller.
Yeah, we'll do some finishing touches, but for now, this already is looking mucho better.
What happened here? Where you going? Oh no! Is that way? Boop. No. All right, now it's time to start covering the onions up with some dirt, and we'll water them until they start, the green part starts coming out. We'll keep watering them after that too. But that's when we'll know it's all working. Oh, it's I finally get to plant them.
And those are they called
These are lemon cucumber. No, I'm so excited. And I have peppers. And we'll bring, I was trying to find the healthiest
Lettuce.
peppers I could. I need to make sure
tomatoes.
I know which peppers. I have jalapenos and sweet peppers. I need to make sure I put them in the right places. So, I gotta go look it up in my book. Number 4. Oh, they're the sweet peppers. Number 1 is the jalapenos. Okay, and then we have lettuce to put over here. I don't know if this lettuce is gonna make it. It looks pretty pathetic over here. All right.
Hello, Dad.
All right, so I think we have 2 more, but this is not gonna do anything. And this, I don't know, I can try, right? Give it a chance here. Oh, that's done. All right.